Now, first of all, you have to understand something about the kind of literature that I just read from this book. James, the book of James, is called the only book that fits the genre or the literary category of wisdom literature in the Old Testament. It's very Hebrew in its orientation. You don't get long, abstract, developed arguments in James. Rather, you get, for the most part, aphorisms, short, pithy statements that incorporate truths that are given without all the detailed qualifications that you might find in the didactic literature, for example, in the style of the Apostle Paul. So you have to be careful when you read this, because some read it and says, well, wait a minute, he says the prayer of faith will save the sick, the Lord will raise them up, as if this were an absolute promise to every inquiry. Well, we know in the New Testament that there were the prayers of the saints to which God said no.